Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about analyze the function. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. It has a double zero in here. Double zero, that should be like x minus 3 to the power of 2 because double, that should be 2. And this one you got about 1. So we have s equal to number 1 and s equal to negative number 2. So that should be about s minus 1 and s plus 2. That's the first step. And the last one, y-intercept. When s equal to number 0, y got about number 12. So if we put number 0 in here, and here, you will got about negative number 3, negative number 1, and number 2. If we try to multiply together, you got about total is about 6. But this one you got about 12. So that means we need to multiply another a in here, and a should be about number 2. So you got about 2 with number 6. You got about 12. And now the function we need to find, that should be about f of s equal to 2 multiplied with s minus 3 to the power of 2 s minus 1 and s plus 1 plus 2. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.